Hey party people! Welcome friends at home! In this recorded video, we have this problem 18 to the power x minus 10 to the power x equals 224, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 224 into two numbers such as 28 times 8. Next, we are going to break down 28 into the summation of 18 plus 10 and express 8 as 18 minus 10. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 18 to the power 2 minus 10 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.